there's an emergency road closed by Police Order Section 134 HTA. Son of a... Oh, I have to go back this way. Today's the big day of the car show.
Why are you gonna go see it?
Oh, well, it runs from today till Sunday. So Friday till Sunday, 3 days.
Yeah.
And it's the Plunkett Estate Car Show, or the Country Cruisin'. And it's the last one that's ever going to happen because they're not going to do it anymore after this weekend. This year is the last year. I'm hoping to make it and get my car in. So that'd be so cool.
You might need to get more gas.
Oh, I got a full tank. I filled up last night. Me and a little dude here looking for stuff to get the car ready for the car show. Let's find some stuff to get it all cleaned up, shined up, and make it happen. It's a pretty big difference from having the windows open to closing them, hearing the exhaust outside. I did not get my car to the car show yet. I'm not gonna get there today. Everybody's gonna get their car out of there, I bet, right now because we're supposed to get a 2-centimeter thick hail. So I'm going to hide my car right now over at my uncle's garage. Getting it inside, gotta get that car indoors. I'm going right now. At my uncle's place, getting the car put in the garage. Check it out. 1986 Porsche. It's pretty spiffy. Oh. I like that emblem. Got your gas tank in the front. Cold start in the garage. Let's get a quick peek at this. In the car today because I'm not going to put gas in it all week. I want it to go down as much as it can before I have to put gas in it. I'm going to put a half tank of 94 octane and then we're going to this drag strip Friday night. Maybe I'll run better times with the 94 octane over the 91 octane. We'll see what that does. Oh, look at that cool car getting gas. Show, the last car show for that car show, the Plunkett Estate Car Show. That kind of sucks I didn't make it, but there's going to be lots of more shows to do, so I'll be alright. I gotta get a different camera holder because that one's too